How to fix Facebook only logged in on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps. And on apps, guys, you will just now go directly to Facebook applications, click on it and open it and go directly to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, click on clear data, then click OK, and now your problem it's fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.